Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm just going to let you guys watch me install this already used wig on my client today. This is not going to be like a tutorial. It's going to be more so like a voiceover story time, okay? I think you guys enjoy the story time type of concept that I'm using on my channel for voiceovers. So I was like, you know what? I have so many stories, y'all. Like, I have so many stories. Y'all would think my life is a freaking movie, okay? So, yeah, y'all. So, if y'all are interested in this story time about the times that I went to Vegas for my 21st birthday, right? And won thousands of dollars, y'all. Broke college kid, won thousands of dollars. I had such good luck, okay? Like, y'all, like it was lit. It was lit. All right. So yeah, just go ahead and just, like I said, watch me install this wig, slay this wig. Like I said, it's not super detailed or anything like that. It's just to kind of get some content and kind of do a story time behind it. All right. So let me just go ahead and jump into this video. Oh my God, y'all. So here I am, 20 years old, okay? In college, broke. You know what I'm saying? I'm just like, okay, I just got a little refund check. So I got a little $2,000 refund check. And like I said, I'm about to be 21. So my homegirl, her birthday is the same birthday as mine, right? April the 1st, Team Aries, gang, gang, okay? Yeah, y'all. So she was like, boom, like, hey, do you want to come to Vegas? Like, one of my friends, he want me to come to Vegas for my birthday. He's gonna pay for the hotel and everything. All you have to do is pay for the flight. So I'm like, okay, bet. So when she told me this, I finally got my refund check like 2 or 3 weeks before we supposed to go, right? So I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna buy the ticket now. So y'all, I ended up buying the ticket when I got my refund check, right? And back then, like, AliExpress was popping with the clothes, okay? So when I had got my refund check, I went ahead and did like expedited shipping, but I ended up buying like 15 dresses, like 15 pairs of clothes or whatever from AliExpress for dirt cheap, y'all. I guess like AliExpress is now like Lovely Wholesale and all those like wholesale places or whatever. But yeah, y'all, so that's really not the point. So, oh my God. So y'all, so boom, bought the ticket, bought the plane ticket. That was gonna be my first flight. Like, it was about to be lit. Spent like $500 on the flight. And yeah, so we booked, we ready to go. So y'all, we end up going. I end up realizing that I booked the wrong flight. Like, I booked the flight, but I ended up booking the flight for the next day to leave home, y'all. Oh my God, it was so crazy. So my friend's guy friend had to literally buy me another freaking ticket. Like, I spent $500 for no reason, like, because I bought the wrong ticket. But anyways, y'all, so we get to Vegas. It's lit. We staying at the Bellagio. It's really, really nice. Like, it's like a 2-room type of, like suite type of thing. I don't know, y'all. It was so beautiful and so lit and so expensive. I know that. So yeah, y'all, we get there. He take us out to eat or whatever. We having a good old time. And he like, y'all be safe. I'm about to go head out. Like, I'm going to do my thing. So it's me and my 2 friends. And y'all, so, we're chilling, like, it's cool, we had a whole day just kind of out at the mall, drinking, shopping, and stuff like that. Well, not really shopping for me too much, because, girl, like I said, I was a little broke, okay, a little brokey broke. So I bought a couple $100, but I was not trying to, like, spend it like that, okay? So, y'all, we ate and things like that. Went to TJ Maxx. I think they had, like, a little TJ Maxx down there at the strip. So I think I ended up buying some stuff from there. And that's about it. So, y'all, I'm walking. And a random guy, he was on the phone or whatever, and it's like I kind of looked in his direction but wasn't really paying him much attention. And then he was like signaling me to come over there, and I'm looking crazy like, I'm not gonna go over there. I'm not about to go over there with this random guy. I was like, no, you come here. So I signaled for him to come over where we were. So he came over to where we were. Now, back then, y'all, like, I'm 21, so I'm 27 now. So, like, 7 years ago, I had, like, I don't even think I even had an iPhone, y'all. Like, I had an Android. It was, like, a little old Android, honey. Like, like a little $40 phone. Like, I really had a really cheap phone. So, it still worked though. You know, it was still a phone that would work. Like, still did what it had to do. So he was like, yeah, boom, me and my two friends were over there at the Aria in the casino. We're eating, getting massages. Like, come over where we at, and we'll just kind of vibe for the day, right? So, boom. I end up saying, okay, cool. So y'all, so they put, my phone was dead at that time. So I ended up putting the phone number, I think, in my friend's phone. And then something happened where she never saved the number. So it was so crazy. But I was like, you know what? Like, let's go over there. Let's see if we can find them. If we can, then we just going to vibe with them. So, y'all, we end up finding the guys or whatever. It was literally 3 girls, 3 boys. Like, it was 3 of us and 3 of them. So it was perfect. So, you know, I'm over there, we vibing, we're talking, and then he realizes that me and my friend's birthday is the same day, okay? So he was like, okay, well, since it's your birthday, I'm going to give you a birthday gift. Like, I'm going to give y'all $100. So I'm like, okay, a random guy just gave me $100. I'm not mad at that, okay? So he gave us $100, and he said, okay, so you can either choose to do one or two things. You can keep the $100, or you can play the $100 at the casino, like play blackjack with us at the table, and you can have the potential of winning more money. So I'm a gambler at heart, all right? I'm a little risk taker, okay? I think that's just the Aries energy, okay? Aries energy, all right? So, y'all, so boom. He gives us $100. I convert it to like the little coins things. And then I'm just sitting there, just like talking to him, you know, while they're playing blackjack, just talking to them, just sitting there and, you know, drinking. The lady's coming to us asking if we want something to drink. We drink, we eat or whatever. So, and I think she like gave us massages too, like while you're sitting there. So I'm like, okay, these men are loaded, right? They obviously got some money, okay? they got monies. So, okay, so y'all, you know, I'm chilling, whatever, watching what they doing. He's like kind of teaching me what he's doing or whatever. And I'm looking or whatever. I still don't know what I'm doing, if you want to be honest. So, like I said, they're playing it. So I'm realizing like when he would win like $500, he would give me like $30, $40 from that, right? So he kept doing that. So eventually I end up having like $400. So I was like, okay, I'm not going to use my whole $400 to gamble. I'm going to use like $100 to gamble, right? So, and just see where it goes, right? Takes us. So, y'all, you know, as time go by, I started putting like $20 here. Like, he'll put like a book and I'll put something on top of him. Like, I don't even really know what it's called. If it's called even a book, I don't know. But, so he'll put money down and I'll put money down on top of his. Like, just something like $20 here, $20 there. So, I'll put $20, get $40 back. I put $40, get $80 back. I put $100, get $200 back. So, y'all, oh my God. So I must have been on a roll, or he must have been on a roll, or I don't know. We all was on a roll. So, y'all, I end up like basically like leaving the table because we literally stayed there all day gambling. All day, y'all, gambling. I end up leaving like with thousands of dollars, like $7,000, $8,000, y'all. I'm in college. I'm like, what the like was crazy, y'all. That was so crazy. I'm like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe I won all this money. And then like at the end of the night, they had this like, I don't know. I find that's not truth or dare. It's some type of thing where you just guess the number. And if you get the number right, or if it's higher or lower, you like win. And I kept doing that, kept winning, y'all, kept winning. Like I was hot. You know what I'm saying? Kept winning. And then, like, I did a slide, y'all, and I won on the slides. I'm like, dang, like, baby, my hand is hot, y'all. So, yeah, and we basically just, like, chill with them not even the whole time. We only was there for, like, 2 or 3 days, y'all. But I just remember us not sleeping. I remember winning so much money. I lost my little phone, my little beep phone. I didn't even care because I had money to buy another one. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, it was so crazy. And then like they asked us to come back for Memorial Day weekend, which is like a month from that. But we realized later on that they were scammers and they were going to jail. And we was like, oh no. We can't deal with these men, okay? We can't deal with it. But it was so crazy, y'all. Like, it was such a crazy experience. I just feel like if I go to Vegas again, it's not gonna be the same, you know? Like, it's not gonna be the same. So I was like, I try to avoid going to Vegas, like, when I'm going trips down. Like, it's so crazy, y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed this story time, y'all. I have so many different stories that happened to me. You know, I was a little wild thing back in the day, okay? So Yeah, but yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this little talk through, this little, watch what I'm doing while I'm telling y'all a little story, okay? And y'all, my voice still kind of in and out, so I'm sorry if I'm a little raspy or whatever, but I hope y'all enjoyed this content, enjoyed this video, and I have so many stories to tell y'all. Like, if y'all are interested, your girl will tell y'all. I feel like it's so easy, telling a story while you like watching, somebody do their hair, instead of me just sitting there talking to y'all and telling y'all a story. That's boring. That's boring to me, Yeah, girl, and I love to talk. So, but yeah, y'all. So I slayed this girl hair. It was so freaking cute. Like, it turned out so well. Like I said, it was like a pre-made wig. She bought it from a local person. I don't really necessarily recommend the hair. I guess since it was bleached, it was kind of dry or whatever. But I mean, when you put a good amount of moisture in it, like, it turns out really, really well. But another thing, I feel like the lace was a little thick and the knots wasn't really bleached that well. But other than that, the color was super cute. It flowed well into her hair. It flowed good. It was super long, like 28 inches or something like that. And yeah, she loved it. I actually loved it too. But it was a lot of work, y'all. It was a lot of work to kind of get, get the curls back popping, get the lace looking right, get the baby hairs looking right. Everybody doesn't do hair the same. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm pretty sure the video is about to end soon. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of content. Do not forget to subscribe. Y'all be watching my videos and not subscribing, so go ahead and do that. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.